everybody, and welcome back to Phonics. In today's lesson, we're going to have a look at another sound and focus on speedy reading and reading multisyllabic words. Are you ready? The sound we are going to learn to read today is or, 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 or. In my picture, there are some birds and they're yawning. When we see this side, we say, oh, you're not done. Oh, you're not done. Oh, you're not done. Super. Fred, here he is, has got some words for us. The first word he's got for us is yawn. Yawn. Super. The next word he's got for us is claw. Claw. Super. And finally, he's got paw. Paw. Like a dog's paw. Super Fred talk, everybody. Thanks, Fred. Or you're not done. Or you're not done. Special friends. Or you're not done. Or good. Super. Good job, everybody. Let's put or in the pack. Super speedy sound. Ready? Super. Did you remember to point? Remember to point when you see our special friends for today. Let's go again. Super speedy sounds even quicker. Wow. Super speedy sounds. Good job. Okay, let's have a look at some green words. Special friends Fred talk, read the word. Special friends. Fred talk and read. Good. Yawn. Super. Special friends. Fred talk and read. Law. Special friends. Good. Fred talk and read. Paw. Special friends. Fred talk and read. Dawn. Super. Special friends. Good. Fred talk and read. Saw. Let's challenge ourselves. This time, special friends, Fred in your head. Secret Fred talk. Muddle, muddle. Special friends. Good. Fred in your head. Dawn. Super. Special friends. Good. Fred in your head. Super. Special friends. Good. Fred in your head. Brilliant. Special friends. Good. Last one. Special friends. Super. Let's get speedy. Let's get speedy. This time, Fred in your head, wait for me to push it forward. Really good. Let's get a little bit quicker now. even quicker. You ready? Good. Wow, super speedy reading. Good job, everybody. Okay, time for multi-syllabic words. Now remember, with multi-syllabic, we use Fred in our head to sound out and read the syllables and then read the whole word. Watch me. Here's my word. First syllable. Or, second syllable. Full. Put it together. Awful. Ready? First syllable. Saw. Second syllable. Dust. Put it together. Sawdust. Sawdust. Good job. I'm sure some of you have been doing a lot of these during lockdown. First syllable. Jig. Second syllable. Saw. Put it together. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Good job. First syllable. Or. Second syllable. Full. Put it together. Awful. Super. Now for this one, we have to read the root word and then there's a little suffix on the end so we read the whole word. So what is the root word here? Fred in your head. Show you, there we go. Good. Yawn. Full word for me. Yawning. That's a little bit different when we've got root words and suffixes. Just watch me. First syllable. Sorry, root word. Yawn. Full word. Yawning. Your turn again. I'd lost a word. Root word. Tricky. Sprawl. Sprawl. That's our suffix. Full word now. Sprawled. Sprawled. Super reading of our multisyllabic words, everybody. Time to review. This time, special friends, right in your head, because these are words we've already practiced before. Ready? Special friends. Good. After. Special friends. Good. And purse. Special friends. Good. Oi and s. Super. Special friends. Good. Air. Scare. Special friends. Good. A. Train. Let's get speedy. Let's get speedy. Good. Voice. Super. Even quicker. Muddle, muddle. Ready? super speedy reading. I hope you impress the adults at home with your speedy reading. Ready for our nonsense words? Can I have your aliens, please? Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Special friends, good. Or Fred talk and read. Nonsense. Special friends, good. Fred talk and read. Nonsense. Special friends, good. Ew. Fred talk and read. Nonsense word. Special friends, good. Oh. Fred talk and read. Super. What a load of nonsense! Thank you so much for joining me for phonics today. Super, super reading from everybody. You have been fantastic. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.